In this video, I'll show you a few tricks on what to do in case your Apple Watch is not charging. So maybe it's completely dead and it's not even able to power on, or maybe it's powered on, but when you put it on the charger, nothing is happening. So the easiest thing to do when this is happening to you is to simply press the crown and the button right under it. Okay, keep both of these pressed, no matter what's happening on the screen. Don't release these buttons until you see the Apple logo. So keep press and wait. Usually after 10 seconds you can see the Apple logo and you'll be able to release it, those buttons. Okay, here we go. I can release now. Now just wait 2 minutes. And after a minute and after 2 minutes, go ahead and try charging your Apple Watch once again. And fortunately, this was just a simple software issue that got solved this way by doing a force restart. Now, if you're still having problems, the other thing I suggest is that you try charging your Apple Watch using another cable and another charger. Sometimes over time these go bad. So if your friend has an Apple Watch, go ahead and borrow his or hers charger and try charging your watch and see if it works. If it works, well, this will simply tell you that the problem wasn't the watch, it was your charging cables or chargers. Or if your friend has an Apple Watch, you can simply use your charger to try charging their watch. If it works, well, the problem is definitely your Apple Watch. Another trick is to go ahead, take it out of your wrist and press everywhere on the display, okay, with your thumbs. You won't break the screen, don't worry, unless you have super thumbs, I don't know, muscles in your thumbs. Press everywhere, especially in the middle. Sometimes things get disconnected inside, some ribbons, connectors. And by doing this, we're just trying to reconnect everything, okay? Press, well, do the same thing on the back. Press the middle as well with your thumb. And after doing this, I suggest you put the Apple Watch on a charger and then power it on by keeping pressed both of these buttons until you see the Apple logo. Another trick that some people suggested is to put your Apple Watch in the freezer for 20 minutes. So don't remove the band, simply leave it in the freezer, 20 minutes, close the door, come back, take your Apple Watch and press the crown and the button under until you see the Apple logo. Another trick is to simply connect your Apple Watch to your charger, and even if you don't see that it's charging, just leave it like this 8 to 10 hours. Sometimes after a while it will start charging. And finally, my last trick, if your Apple Watch screen is still on, okay, like here, there's still a bit of juice left inside, let the battery completely die of your Apple Watch, okay, until the screen is black and you cannot power it on at all. Then go ahead and connect it to a charger overnight, wait 8 to 10 hours, let it fully charge, all right? Hopefully, after being dead, it will be able to charge at 100% and then you'll be able to use it. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, leave a like, a comment down below. If you have any other tricks, let me know. I'll be very curious. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.